All right, so today we have a silicone power PCIe 1 terabyte drive. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is basically the next advancement in solid state drives. Went from the regular hard drive to the solid state drive that was the same size as the regular hard drive over to these NVMe PCIe hard drives. So a lot of the new desktops will take these, they go right on the motherboard. And for example, I have an item that plugs into an iMac that I'm gonna use this with. So let's just take it out, see what we get in here. And so this is essentially though the drive itself. You can see just comes in these little plastic casings, and basically this side is what kind of goes in almost like a memory stick in a way, and then this side has a little screw on it that'll hold it down, and that one screw will hold this one whole 1 terabyte of storage. That's probably the best part about these is they're faster and smaller, and so it's just getting better and better. So that'll do it for the Silicon Power NVMe PCIe 1 terabyte unboxing. That'll do it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.